This is the final heat.
Take your mark.
Swinging lane 0, Valencia Zion of SHS Ateneo DE Cebu Swing Team. Lane 1, Erno Brianna Alia, Surigao City Seaball Swing Team. Lane 2, Pasota Rian Case, Hydro Division Swing Team. Lane 3, Yumo Kylie Daniel, Bohol Splasher Swing Team. Lane 4, Villas Razel Pearl of the Bohol Splashers Swing Team. Lane 5, Dr. Baban Simone of Tagbilan Royal Swim Club. Lane 6, Oromines Julia Celestine, Bohol Island Sea Hunters. Lane 7, Lunas Senero Pedriana Jude of Hydro Immersion Swim Team. Lane 8, Julius Paquete Sue of Bohol Splashers Swim Team. Lane 9, Jacinto Alvin Zayden of Bohol Hydro Immersion Swim Team.
Go, John!
Go, Ate!
Go, John!
Go, Ate! Go, Ate!
Swimmer Kasiva Zachary of Hydro Immersion, please proceed to the ready bench right now.
Go, Ate! Go, Ate!
Da Silva Zachary of Hydro Immersion, please proceed to the ready bench now.